Now that we have the keywords and the titles, we need to start writing these articles. And the first step is to come here to the list of ideas that you got from ChatGPT and choose one to start. And I'll show you two ways to do it here. First, I'll show you the easy way that you just say, hey, write idea number 4 or something like that. And the second way, if you want to create a more customized article right there on ChatGPT, I'll show you a prompt that I use for some of my articles, okay? So here we are. Let's say that we like this one here, 5 reasons why email marketing is essential for small businesses. Let's say that we like this idea. So we come here and say, I like your suggestion number 1, which is this one. Please write on a complete post, blog post about this optimize for my buyer persona. Again, we always use the buyer persona that ChatGPT knows exactly who she is and what she likes, what are the pain points, what are the dreams and all that. So everything that we do here, guys, as you are noticing, is we're adding on the prompts, optimize this for my buyer persona. Okay, so let's try this. Of course, this is one way to do. You can say, hey, just write number 1 and it will start writing. Or you can just put the title that we just copy here. You see 5 reasons why email marketing is essential for a small business. You can just copy that, paste and say, write about this, and it will work the same way. Okay, so let's see what results we have. So it's start to writing the blog here, and it's optimized for our buyer persona, Zara. Wonderful. And you see here ChatGPT writing this article for us. So this is one way to do it. Let's keep this on screen while the chat is writing. This is one way to do it. If you like this, you can just copy what the result you have. You can paste this on a Google Doc or on a Word document and edit, make sure you have all the elements and make sure all the information is right, is correct, because sometimes the chat can also make mistakes. So it's important for you to come here and make sure that everything looks good for your audience before you publish to the world, right? Also, if you think that this is not enough, let's imagine that you said, okay, this is great information, but it's not enough for my blog post. It's not up to the standard that I usually create my documents, my content here on my blog. That's fine. There is another option that you can use. This is a prompt that I use sometimes, and you see here that you can just copy this and paste. All the prompts are here on the resources area of the course, okay? So you can download the document with all the prompts and you can just copy and paste here on while you are watching the lessons, okay? So you see here, I want you to act. This is the actual prompt that we will write to the chat. I want you to act as a blogger and you put your topic here. Let's say that is digital marketing expert, You are writing a blog post for and you put the industry here. Let's say email marketing blog. The topic of the post will be, and you add the topic here. In this case, the topic is where we are. Here we are. 5 reasons why email marketing is essential for small businesses. So we copy this and we paste here. Excellent. You see here, continuing, this post should be helpful for people who are, and you describe the people. In this case, we will modify this and we will say this post should be helpful for my buyer persona. Okay. It would be direct, and if you have a call to action that you want to make, you can use this. So you can say, hey, add this link at the end. If you have a referral link, if you want to drive into your website, to your social media, that's up to you. In this case, I will not use this area here, so I will remove this. The length of the blog post will be, and you can determine the length if you want, between, let's say, 1,000 and 2,500 words, for example. The tone will be informal. You should be writing as an individual blogger with a personal approach. So don't use plural persons when you refer to our or we. So it needs to be in the first person. Don't use passive voice. That's an option too. And you can also optimize here for the keywords. So you see, I want you to include these keywords. And here, if you want, you can just copy the keywords we discovered here earlier with ChatGPT, or the keywords that we discovered using the Google Keyword Planner. That's up to you. Okay. In this case, to make things easier, I won't add any keywords. And if there are other things that you want to add to the article, for example, okay, also add information about how you can use free email marketing softwares, for example, or how you can use this or that tool. That's up to you. I will just make it easier. My prompt is ready. Let's see what results we have here. And I just come here on the same chat box. Remember that we created the buyer persona here earlier, and we are requesting this. So it's saying, sure, I'm happy to write this blog post. Fantastic. So let's see. And you see that it's starting to write. You can compare the two methods, see which one you like best. And you can, of course, copy and optimize this later before you publish. But this is an easy way, guys, to publish great content, and also to create articles that are ready to be published on your website. So you can just copy these articles, put it onto your website, and schedule for later. So you are scheduling all your content in advance, and that's fantastic because by doing that, you are making sure that your audience will always get something new from you. I hope you like this. See you in the next video.